How's it going, everyone? My name is Miguel Francis, and today I want to make this weekly vlog number 2. So this week was pretty interesting this week, and so I just finished the diploma in virtual basic programming, which uses the virtual studios for coding, editing, and stuff like that, which is pretty interesting. And I learned a lot, and also I did practice some coding, because you can't be a programmer or a coder just by watching tutorials. It's very, very important if I'm going to be a software developer or a software engineer that I got to get my hands on the hands-on experience of coding. And coding in the tech industry is whether it's Python, whether if it's Ruby or JavaScript, HTML, you gotta learn how to code. And so I did practice some coding, and I'm getting hang of it, as I practice some more and more, and hopefully, when I learn some kind of programming language, I'll practice some more, and hopefully I can get to the point where I can start doing side projects and be creative, and learn how to be a problem solver, because I think 80% of the career is basically going to be problem solving a lot of things, debugging all the make some changes and stuff like that, and 20% is going to be coding, and going to meetings, and all that good stuff, and truly, I'm very, very comfortable with coding. And now, for a fact, I think on Wednesday I've started a diploma in Python programming. And Python is a pretty interesting programming language, in my opinion. So far, I'm on module 3, and I learned about how to display text by using displaying text, but also I understand how to do strings, and I got a notebook here, so I wrote my notes down, and also learning about basically string variables. That's what I learned today, and yesterday I did learn how to display text. And basically Python is a most easiest code, or most easiest programming language to learn. So, and basically I learned a lot from programming languages and stuff, and hopefully by the end of that diploma in Python programming, I can now begin doing projects with it, and also how you say, building up that skill set, that I need to learn. So hopefully I got that done by next week. And I'm in no rush. Try my best to get everything done on time. But anyway, so as you may know, today is Good Friday, and I'm planning on doing a live stream on Facebook at the church's group. I'll link the group down below if you want to go ahead and join. And yeah, so, and it's going to be at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'm going to be doing the same thing again on Easter. And I'm trying to figure out to get all those Facebook Live videos and put it on YouTube, because I've been trying. It looks easy, but sometimes I get stuck on something. So I'm keep on doing it over and over again. So praise God. I see lemon flavors, pretty good. Um, so far in my Christian development, I've been reading through the book of Genesis, and the book of Genesis is a very fundamental book that all Christians should read. This is where all takes place, from the creation to the creation of Adam and Eve, to the fall of man, to the Noah's Ark, and the story of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, and Joseph. All of this become more of a prophetic, basically like a prophetic word to the future, because this, history repeats itself over and over again, and I see that the Lord is showing me that no matter what situation you're in, He'll find a way to bless you, either with a new career, either with a move to a different city or a different state, and God began to move such a way. It really moves my heart to see how God uses people to not only use people to speak blessings to them, but also uses people to warn them or to discourage them. But yet, God makes our path straight again. We screw up, God put us to the right path. Amen. Okay. So yeah, I think that's all. That's all I'm going to be updating you guys. Hopefully there's no extensions from after April 30th. I'm trying to stay positive that I can. I'm losing money from food and diabetes supply. It's pretty hectic moments, and I'm still waiting on the what's called that the stimulus check. Hopefully get that $1,200 by either next week or the week after that or the week after that. So it's becoming more of a hindrance to me, because I'm working, plus I don't have disability or stuff like that to take care of my diabetes. So I try not to panic. I try not to worry. I just let God do what God does. You just let God be under control. All that good stuff. And yeah. So I hope you guys have a great weekend. And I'll see you guys again tonight. And I'll post it on YouTube later. And also how do I say this? And also Easter. So thank you guys for watching. May God bless you, and I'll see you guys again next time.